In this video, we're going to look at updating an ENTTEC USB device using ENTTEC Pro Manager. So to start, we'll navigate to the ENTTEC website. Here I'm going to look at the DMX USB Pro. Click on Downloads, this will take you to the bottom of the page, and then you can see here we've got two different firmware versions for this product. If you download each of them, we can use those later. Now we're going to navigate to the Pro Manager software. This will start the software, and then open a configuration window inside your web browser. Now here we can see the USB device, we're going to select that. We can see it's on firmware version 1.44. Pro Manager contains a number of firmware versions. We can use these, or we can opt to select a file that we downloaded earlier. After that, click Update Firmware. Once this is loaded, the page will refresh. And we can do the same process again to select a different firmware version. Hope you found this useful. Let us know if you've got any questions in the comments, or get in touch with our team at enttec.com.